somehow our bird feeder murdered 2 birds while they were eating. Like, it doesn't make sense. It's so sad. Does anybody have an explanation for this? My dad believes that maybe they came to eat and the wind came and it blew and broke their necks, but they're just in there really tight. So it's possible they stuck their heads in there and held on to not get blown away by the wind and didn't have anywhere else to find protection, and then maybe the wind just kind of cut off their circulation with the holes, with their necks in the holes. There's no bird seed, so why would their heads be in there? They're trying to find protection from the wind, and they just stuck their heads in there and died.